Back, and today we're looking at more high protein vegetarian quick and easy recipes, and this is one of my go-tos. I probably make this every day, and now being back in England, after being in Vancouver and being in Wales, I can get back to my normal eating habits, and it is simply a very British food: beans on toast. All you need is a can of beans and toast. Now the variation to how I make this is I wash the beans, so I use a strainer like this and I take all of the sauce out. Now some people say, can you leave a bit of the sauce in? But you don't really need it. You get used to having it without sauce, and then why would you put that extra sugar and salt in your body? Once you wash the salt and sugar out, then beans are pretty healthy as a food to have, and you do get used to it pretty quickly. The brand of beans doesn't matter because they're just a different composition of sugar in there and other ingredients in this sauce, and if you're taking all the sauce out anyway, it doesn't really matter. You're just having the beans, and these can be quite cost effective as well. So this has 20 grams of protein per can, and I usually have one can. And this bread, normal seeded bread, has 4 grams of protein per slice, 3.7. So you're looking at around 7 or 8 grams of protein. So you're looking at, within this simple meal, something that takes about 2 minutes to make. Simply toast the bread, don't add any margarine or butter, because again you're adding bad calories unnecessarily. You can just have the beans on the toast, wash the beans, then cook them as you would normally cook them, and within 2 minutes you've got a meal ready to go with 27 grams of protein, very little sugar, very little refined carbohydrates, and very little fat. So high protein, cheap and quick. What more could you ask for?